Hey, real quick, just to alert you to a free download over at AppSumo, The $1 Million Weekend, The Lost Chapter. What is The $1 Million Weekend? It's a book by Noah Kagan, the creator of AppSumo and many other things. You can see here a little bit about the author, employee number 30 at Facebook, employee number 4 at Mint, founded and failed 25 plus times. Again, the CEO of AppSumo, the #1 software deal site. Link in the description to grab this lost chapter, but who is this lost chapter for? If you scroll down, it's going to tell you a little bit about the lost chapter, but if you take a look at this, at a glance, it's going to say who this is best for. My focus is the entrepreneur curious. And of course, if you are entrepreneur curious, there's also a link in the description over to AppSumo to check out some of these other products. But let's focus on this free download because it is for the entrepreneur curious, and that is those that are curious about starting a business. Ask some simple questions. Have you thought about what you want to sell or what kind of business you want to start? Does your idea relate to something you already know, like, or is it something completely different? And how do you see your idea fitting into your future plans? These questions and many more will be answered in the lost chapter, and you can get it for free, link in the description. All you have to do is head over to AppSumo, click here, get it now for free. Here you'll see you can download it. It is a digital download. You download it directly to your computer to read it. If you don't have an AppSumo account, you can continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can enter your email address and a password. If you already have an account, which I do, you simply click sign in. And again, you can continue with Google or Facebook or sign in with an email. We'll go ahead and sign in. And then after that, you simply just select place order now. It'll tell you a little bit about what you purchased. Of course, it is free. And the next steps are to head over and view all your products. Here you'll see the $1 Million Weekend, the lost chapter, ready to download. Select redeem now. Then you'll see download your freebie, the $1 Million Weekend, the lost chapter. Note you must download this freebie by July 9th, 2024. So go ahead and click download, and that will get you the $1 Million Weekend, the lost chapter by Noah Kagan. It is a PDF. You simply just log in and start to read it. But again, the questions that were asked, or the questions that were posed for the entrepreneur curious, those that are curious about starting a business. Have you thought about what you want to sell? What kind of business you want to start? Does your idea relate to something you already know, like, or is it something completely different? And do you see your idea fitting into your future plans? All those questions will be answered in this 12-page PDF. And as you can see here, it starts simply by letting you know that finance is nothing more than the art of science, watching money flow in and out of your business. Now, when you put it that way, or when you think about what the greatest goal for a new business is, it's increasing inflows. And how do you do that? You get your message in front of more eyeballs, you get more money per customer, and you sell new products to your existing customers. There's lots of great information in this lost chapter. And again, that's also for solopreneurs. There's also some great deals on AppSumo for solopreneurs. Link in the description. Check out some of those. But also, you might want to ask yourself a few different questions if you are currently a solopreneur. Like, what are you currently offering in your business? And do your products or service work well together to make your business stronger? Do your offerings align with where you want your business to go in the future? These questions and many more will be answered inside of the lost chapter. And again, it's free. All you have to do to read this from Noah Kagan, the chief sumo or the creator of AppSumo, all you have to do is head over and take a look. Now, there was a question here. Do I need to subscribe to AppSumo so I can get this offer? No, just simply log in and get it. One other note, this is lifetime access, or you get lifetime access to this. Just be sure to download it within 60 days of getting this offer for free by clicking this yellow button. And if you are a solopreneur, these questions, what are you currently offering in your business? And do your products or services work well to make your business stronger? And do your offerings align with where you want your business to go in the future? Will be answered. And this chapter is a practical guide to making your business better and keeping your customers coming back. So it's perfect for you if you're running your business, especially if you're running your business alone and you want some simple advice on how to make the most of what you're selling. So click the link in the description, head over, check out the $1 Million Weekend, the lost chapter. Also, this lost chapter will whet your appetite. And when it does, check out the book over at Amazon, The $1 Million Weekend, the surprisingly simple way to launch a 7-figure business in 48 hours. But start with the free chapter, link in the description. Grab your copy of the lost chapter of the $1 Million Weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.